Pretty much all these lights are hooked up to relays where when the music hits a certain frequency, it'll flip a relay and turn the light on. When your bass pumps through your stereo, you put out a lot more power, so it clicks that relay. So these aren't like wired up on any type of timer. It's just a relay that goes off the music. They're too fucking sweet. Dave Morris's house.